In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the invoice number in QuickBooks, a simple process that should take you no longer than 5 minutes. Before we dive in, make sure you have your QuickBooks account credentials handy because we'll be signing in shortly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks website. Once there, click on the Sign In button. This will bring you to the login page. Here you'll see various options, but for our purpose today, you'll select QuickBooks Online. With this selection made, you'll need to enter your login credentials, type in your username and password, and click Continue to access your QuickBooks dashboard. Now you're ready to change the invoice number. Once signed in, direct your attention to the left-hand menu and click on Sales. This is the hub for all your sales transactions and where we'll manage our invoices. After clicking on Sales, look for the Invoices tab, click on it to see a list of all the invoices you currently have. Find the invoice for which you'd like to change the number and click on Edit. This action brings you into a detailed view of the invoice settings where you can make various modifications. Locate the box labelled Invoice Number. Here you can type in the new invoice number that you desire. It's important to choose a number that fits into your existing numbering convention, ensuring consistency in your records. Sometimes you might not see the invoice number box immediately. If that's the case, you'll need to adjust your settings to enable this feature. Don't worry, it's an easy fix. Head over to your QuickBooks settings, click on Account and Settings followed by Sales. Within the Sales options, you'll find Sales Form Content. Ensure that Custom Transaction Numbers is turned on. This step is crucial to making the invoice number box visible and editable. With the invoice number updated, the final step is to click Save. This action will store the changes you've made and update the invoice within your system. It's always a good practice to review the invoice after saving changes to ensure everything is recorded correctly. There you have it, you've successfully changed an invoice number in QuickBooks. This straightforward process helps keep your accounting records accurate and organized. If you need to change more invoice numbers, simply repeat these steps. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tricks. Happy accounting!